Imagine coming home after a long day. Perhaps you're a busy mom or a full-time professional, and you step through the door only to see clutter everywhere. It feels like you just cleaned yesterday, but chaos has crept back in. That sinking feeling of overwhelm and frustration is all too real. You're not alone. One mom shared that her house doesn't stay clean longer than 5 minutes. The clutter gets to me, and I feel unsettled. Sound familiar? Cleaning can feel endless, but what if I told you there's one simple habit that changes everything? Stick with me. I promise this will be worth it. The daily struggle. I remember the day I realized how out of control my home had become. As a working mom, I juggled deadlines, kids, and a million little tasks. That evening, I raced in with groceries in hand, dinner to make, and a list of chores I swore I'd tackle later. 20 minutes later, I sat at the kitchen table, exhausted. The sink was full of dishes, laundry was piled up, and toys were scattered everywhere. I felt guilty, overwhelmed, and ready to cry. Every time I tried to clean, the mess just reappeared. It was like sand slipping through my fingers. Neuroscience even shows why. Clutter bombards our brains with too many stimuli, making us scattered and stressed. No wonder I felt anxious. Scientists found that people in cluttered homes are less able to focus and more easily overwhelmed. That night, I realized I couldn't keep playing catch-up. I needed a smarter approach. The one habit. After weeks of research and trial and error, I discovered a game-changing strategy. It wasn't a fancy gadget or a new cleaning product, it was a habit. The secret? Cleaning as you go and doing a quick daily tidy instead of letting mess pile up. I know, it sounds simple, almost too simple, but it works wonders. An expert on habits put it like this: focus on one small thing at a time. For example, pick a simple action like making your bed each morning or washing dishes immediately after eating. Do that consistently for a few weeks, and it becomes automatic. This little habit creates momentum. By building tiny cleaning routines, my house stopped feeling like a never-ending project. In fact, as one dedicated mom blogger noted, "None of my habits take more than a few minutes, but by doing them as I go, I spend very little effort and never have a really messy or dirty house." Could taking just a few minutes really make that big a difference? It did for me. The one habit. So what exactly is this one habit? It's the practice of tidying or cleaning in small increments every day. Some people call it a 15-minute nightly tidy, or simply clean as you go. Instead of letting clutter accumulate, you address it as it happens. For example, when I wash dishes after dinner instead of letting them soak, or when I put away the toys right after the kids play, I never end up with a mountain of tasks. These small efforts prevent chaos from spiraling out of control. It's like a snowball effect. One little act each day leads to a much tidier home overall. Step by step, building the habit. Ready to make this habit part of your life? Let's break it down step by step. Even if you're juggling a million things, you can make this work. 1. Start small with a clear goal. Pick one quick task to do daily. For example, spend 10 minutes tidying the living room at bedtime or wash a load of dishes after each meal. The Stanford health experts suggest starting small on a single area. Identify one small box, pile, or drawer as a starting point. This keeps it from feeling overwhelming. Overwhelmed by clutter but short on time? Download my 10-minute declutter plan. It's simple, fast, and proven to help you take control of your space without the stress. Perfect for busy moms, professionals, and aspiring cleaning business owners. Click the link below and take your first powerful step toward a cleaner, calmer home. In just 10 minutes a day. If these tips resonate with you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more cleaning motivation and life hacks. Drop a comment below sharing your biggest cleaning challenge. I'd love to hear your story. And share this video with a friend or family member who could use a cleaning boost. Let's support each other in this journey. 2. Attach it to your routine. Choose a consistent trigger. Maybe it's right after putting the kids to bed or after you brew your morning coffee. Attaching a new habit to an existing routine helps it stick. For instance, I decided to do a 5-minute kitchen cleanup every night after dinner dishes. I set a timer so I wouldn't overthink it. 3. Make it manageable. Keep it under 10 to 15 minutes. Remember what we saw. Little chores can be tiny, some just a minute long. Even vacuuming high traffic spots or wiping kitchen counters for a few minutes daily can cut way down on big cleaning days. Consistency is what really counts, not perfection. 4. Use visual cues. Put a checklist or note on the fridge or bathroom mirror. 5 min tidy tonight. Habit researchers say writing down your goal and tracking progress helps new routines form. You could simply check off a box each day you complete your tidy up. 5. Celebrate progress. Give yourself some positive reinforcement. Tell a friend or post in a support group when you've kept up the habit for a week. Reward yourself, maybe a relaxing bath or a quiet cup of coffee at the end of your tidy session. As Leo Babauta of Zen Habits says, even a small reward helps cement a habit. 6. Be flexible and forgiving. Life happens. If you miss a day, don't stress. Experts remind us that slip-ups are normal. The key is to forgive yourself and just jump back in the next day. It takes time, around 66 days on average according to research, for a new behavior to truly become automatic. So give yourself grace during that journey. If you follow these steps, you'll slowly but surely make cleaning a natural part of your day. Imagine waking up to a neat bed or coming home to a clear kitchen counter. Those victories feel amazing, and they add up fast. You might be thinking, this sounds like more work. But think of it this way. These tiny daily efforts actually save you time and stress in the long run. By preventing mess instead of battling it all at once, you end up with more weekends free and far fewer arguments about chores. And here's the emotional payoff. A clean environment truly boosts your mood. Researchers find that a tidy home gives a sense of control and calm. One Stanford study even notes that a clean space makes us less irritable and more productive, exactly what busy parents and professionals need. When your environment is orderly, you're not nagged by unfinished business, so you can focus on family time, work projects, or yes, even launching that cleaning business you've been dreaming about. Remember, you're already doing incredible work by caring for your home and family. Each small step you take is a win. Even just starting this habit is a victory in itself. In the end, the one thing that truly keeps your house clean longer is the habit of daily tidying. By embracing small, consistent actions, like putting things away immediately, doing a quick tidy before bed, or washing dishes as you use them, you create a home that stays cleaner with less effort. It won't happen overnight, but every day you practice this habit, you're reclaiming control of your space. You deserve a peaceful, welcoming home, and you've got what it takes to get there. So keep going, one step at a time. And hey, don't forget, download my free 10-minute declutter plan. It's simple, fast, and proven to help you take control of your space without the stress. Perfect for busy moms, professionals, and aspiring cleaning business owners. Click the link below and take your first powerful step toward a cleaner, calmer home in just 10 minutes a day. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making your life easier. Share your own clean home wins below. I'll be cheering for you. Thanks for watching. And here's to more calm, clean days ahead. You've got this. Each small habit is a big victory. Happy cleaning.